Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today, as last time, I made a paper airplane video. And today I'm going to be making another paper airplane video, but this time I'm going to be doing a glider. Last time it was a dart. Hope you guys enjoy. Here we go. Okay. So first we're gonna fold it in half. I'm gonna fold it like a mountain. It's basically the same few steps as we did last time. But this time we are going to be going downwards. And to know if you got it correct or not, there should be a line right here instead of like a point right here. Then we're gonna get this corner. We're gonna go fold this part right directly into the middle. And we're gonna get the same on the other side. Here. Now, see this little arrows left behind back here? We're gonna fold that upwards. Now we're gonna fold it inwards, so like this way. Push it. Get this part right here that's going down. Fold it at the bottom. Do the same thing on the other side. On the bottom. Make sure you press it good. And there you go. There's your little glider. Good job. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, see you guys all later. Bye.